Applying for Sprint CapTel service now only takes a few seconds with Blueprint OMS. The Sprint CapTel application is now preloaded and will autofill with relevant information from your Blueprint OMS. To populate the form, you can highlight a patient in the patient browser or open a patient file. Click on the patient drop-down menu and highlight Forms, Sprint CapTel. The form will populate with the patient, provider, and clinic information. Any information can be edited or added directly on the form. Be sure to check the checkbox to certify that the patient has a hearing loss that necessitates the use of a captioned telephone and other disclaimers listed above. If your provider's signature is uploaded into Blueprint OMS, it will populate on the signature line. Otherwise, you can use a signature pad to capture an electronic signature or print this form and sign it with a pen. If you're using an electronic signature, you can fax and email this form directly from Blueprint OMS. You can also archive the form to the Patient's Documents tab. If you have any questions about this time-saving feature, please contact Blueprint Solutions.